So, hi, do you want to make free landing pages and free emails to send your subscribers at a very lower cost? Is for yours. Well, in today's generation, if you want to be a successful online internet marketer, then you have to have your email lists in a proper way and some catchy landing pages. Don't worry, this software which I'm about to review can do it for you very easily. So, I'm again introducing myself. I'm Rahul. I usually review the softwares which I recommend mostly and which can help you growing yourself. So, as usually, I'll put the link of this super cool software called Pagrpro in my description box, and you can check this for sure. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, before starting the video, I just want to tell you something. I am begging my pardon because in all my videos, I mean in all my the previous videos, there are some sound issues and it will be continuing. I know that's for sure. I don't know why this issue is happening for again and again time, but for some reason I don't know why, but again, feeling very sorry from my heart. So let's jump into the video. So I am at the sales page of this amazing software called PageR Pro. As you can see over the search bar. So this amazing software can create and sell on the rocking solid cloud hostings and use 100% done for you templates to sell anything for anyone. That's a claim process that the vendor of this software said. So here you can see a demo video of this software. I'll not play this video, um, and I'll start reviewing this software. So this software can create unlimited sales and the landing pages. It can choose from over 50 high converting templates, ultra fast websites, and the sales page hostings. Easily make and sell websites for 50, 500 to $1,500 to the clients as well. $200 refund if this doesn't work for you. That means that if this process is not working for you, then don't worry, the vendor will refund your money. Send unlimited emails and SMS broadcast and to the unlimited subscribers. Get the free traffic, leads, and sales in 30 seconds. Newbie friendly, built for the non-tech minded and entrepreneurs and the marketers. That means you don't have to have a great knowledge about the technologies and all, and you don't have to gain some skills of the entrepreneurs. So that is a very easy to use software, which I think you have understood before. So it has been claimed that it will give you the 100 days money back guarantee. So it's a very good good decision by the vendors. So as you can see, it cost about $297 per month, but for the one time it will cost around $16. So it's a very less amount that the vendors are selling this amazing software. So um so for the customers or for the consumers, they are only 5 steps away to blowing up their business sales and making more and more profit. So step number one, just purchase and log in to the page pro dashboard. Choose from the 50 ready-made high converting templates, and the step three, customize and publish your website or landing pages. Then blast your link to your email and SMS subscribers. um, then uh, then you just have to sit back and watch your business make exponential profit and sales. So people are loving this brand new tool. I think you know why the people are loving this tool, because it has given you, sorry, it is giving you the lot of benefits. If you are an online internet marketer, or if you want to be an internet marketer uh, at a successful level, then it will surely help you out. So people are loving this brand new tool, and for just using it in their business and turning it into a true six-figure income. Just see for yourself. There's a kind of a review or the feedbacks, you can say, for the experts from the experts. As you can is a completely stranger when it comes to understanding the complicated codes and other technical things, and still now he is able to create a stunning websites and the blogs with the help of this amazing softwares Pagrpro. So here you can see lots and lots of reviews, lots and lots of feedbacks which at the page, and obviously these are the positive feedbacks as well. So now just quickly just create any type of page, complete marketing funnels, complete the websites, e-com store for yourself or your clients, sales funnels for your e-com products, sales pages for your print out demand offers, affiliate product review pages and funnels, landing pages for your softwares, other digital products, the webinar registration pages, quiz pages to collect the leads, websites for the local businesses, fancy sites for the bloggers, and you can also convert your visitors to paying customers in a click for yourself or your clients. Send the unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers, send the unlimited SMS broadcasts to the unlimited leads, follow up your leads with the high converting sales pages. So as I've showed you earlier, that is the price, and that's the price which will be less, which will become very higher in a short period. But don't worry, this is just a number, as you can see. Let's choose from the 50 stunning design templates you can customize at feel. Be will There's a hell lot of things being promised. Don't just take our word for crazy. So, dear frustrated beginner, if I can show you an almost guaranteed way to be able to build unlimited high converting landing pages, send the unlimited emails and unlimited SMS broadcasts to the unlimited subscribers and contacts all for a on one time low price. Will that make your day? Do you think your business growth and overall finances will experience a drastic positive change if you can discover how to design high converting landing pages that converts cold visitors to the hot leads that convert them to high paying customers? So naturally, as we have watched the video, so it this software is for those who wants to be an online successful marketer, and when they start from the scratch and they don't know where to go, how to use, and they have the mindset that they have to know the coding and they have to know the technical skills. For those who don't know these two criteria, which are for the higher levels, those can use this software. So it's a very friendly and very easy to use software. So that's another article that before that shared with this issue also. Let's take a look at this proven facts. So what do all this tell you? It means that not being able to design high converting landing pages that misprices visitors and ultimately turn them to the high paying consumers or the customers will hurt not just your business but also your finances big time. To the high paying customers is not easy, and you have just three options. You either have to pay a website designer to design landing pages for you, and in this case you will be exposing your business to early failure as the designers as at a pain in the ass from being late on the deadline to using the copyrighted media that can also cost you a fortune if discovered by the real owner to delivering amute design, etc. So to the softwares are drag and drop, but most of the designs are amateur designs and are poor at converting visitors for to high paying customers. The one I used cost mm there's a $497 per year, though that's a huge amount for a beginner at least, which was actually the cheapest option I could get. Yet it didn't deliver as I wanted. So as you can see that which with the page pro you don't have to worry about building high converting landing pages, driving traffic to a high converting landing page, converting the traffic to high paying recurring customers. So I think this page is ended up over here. um, there's a last option that that some of the gorgeous templates. So I think so my internet connection is off right now, so I can't see the images right now. So I'm very sorry for that. So this is the review for today. So I have reviewed a software called PageR Pro. So this is the very amazing software if you take my recommendations, if you take my advice as well. But affiliate link over there. To be very honest with you, if you purchased this amazing software using my link, then I can earn some commission, and you don't have to worry about this cause you don't have to pay an extra amount of money to pay me. So so you just have to pay the same amount as it has been claimed by the vendor, as it has been claimed at the sales page. So see you on the next video. I hope that you learned some knowledge, some basic knowledge about the software. I think you loved my review. So um, please support me, and I need your support actually. So here's the review of the Pager Pro, uh, the amazing software for the beginners, for the newbies, and for those who don't know how to handle this industry, or how to handle this process. So that is now for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and press the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. It will motivate me along, as I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye for a short period. Thank you.